Good morning, LinkedIn community. Earlier in the week, we defined what the POTS sunset meant for you or for your agency, and I promised by the end of that video, we would do a POTS link tour or a spotlight on RCN solution to replace old analog POTS lines and get out from that problem statement introduced by FCC Order 19-72A1, where POTS lines were deregulated from a support perspective. Your legacy providers, the AT&Ts, the Frontiers, the Verizons, the Windstreams, the Lumens of the world, no longer have to offer you lines, fix your lines, no longer have to honor contracts, and can terminate your network at a moment's notice. So what do you do if all of a sudden you wake up and you have a termination notice? In the next 90 days, all of your mission critical POTS lines supporting fire, security, and the like are going to go bye-bye. What do you do if you were paying $20 per line and now it's jumped 4x, 5x to $100+ per line? What do you do if you have a broken line and you need to restore connectivity because it supports a mission critical application and you are on the fire marshal's bad side for offering a code compliance facility? And then lastly, what are you going to do if you have a new build and you need to open a facility, it has an elevator and it needs connectivity? Well, at this point, I want to introduce RCN solution POTS Link. Here it is. This is our service gateway. What is POTS Link? It is a true managed one-to-one POTS replacement service that 100% looks, tastes, feels, and operates like your legacy POTS line. And from a hardware perspective, it supports up to 8 lines out of a single service gateway. You can see the ports up to 8 lines here. It is running primarily off a wireless internet circuit. We've got an embedded LTE gateway that's managed by our network operations center. And not only do we have one primary cellular component, Verizon, AT&T Mobile, whichever's best, but we also offer a backup SIM, what's called a multi-carrier MZ SIM, that is connected to the other big two. So common scenario would be Verizon's best, that's writing primary, and then shotgun is a SIM that's connected to both AT&T and T-Mobile. Should any of the networks have a dark sky day, this is an incredibly resilient solution to keep your lines up and running, especially for life safety. It's also compatible with the carrier's wireless priority services, Frontline, T-Priority, and AT&T FirstNet. Not only that, it's a voice over IP solution. That means we've got some engineering and configuration capabilities to be advanced E911 compliant, dial to the correct PSAP when that elevator phone gets hit or that fire alarm goes off. We can make sure it's compliant with NFPA 72 standards for fire, ASME A17.1 standards for elevators, and we can make sure that it is compliant with UL listing standards for intrusion detection services. It supports a battery backup running for up to 24 hours that also provides redundant power to your fire panel, provides redundant power to your elevator and to your intrusion panel. And as I mentioned before, it is fully supported, fully monitored by RCN's Network Operations Center that sits in our basement at 200 Jennings Avenue in Knoxville, Tennessee. Technician staff, 24/7, 365. Every single one of them is domestic, meaning when you need help, our help springs into action and you can rest assured you can communicate comfortably with them. A lot of people don't realize legacy POTS lines really don't have any kind of monitoring or visual capability in up line down status. That is what our NOC is for. They make sure that your lines are up and on all the time, because when it comes to life safety applications especially, you deserve connectivity without compromise. The last thing I'll point out, it is a cellular solution. We have got these external cellular SMA connectors. We can connect something as simple as your standard cellular paddle antenna that sits very easily right on top there. You mount that to the wall in your DMARC and you move your POTS lines, you re-terminate them into the ports, you're off to the races. or if you have poor cellular connection in your demarc, your installation point, we can do an external antenna as well, because these things are like an engine when they're driven by cellular. The cellular is the engine and the network signal is the fuel. Without the fuel, you cannot drive a result with that engine. So that's POTS-Link. Again, I urge everyone, do not be reactive when it comes to your POTS lines. Be proactive, do the research, go into rcntechnologies.com/POTS-Link. We've got a lot of great information around code compliancy, around how our solution checks a lot of the boxes from a code compliant POTS replacement perspective. We got some great guides, great resources. Go and check us out. POTS-Link has been deployed over 700 locations and growing. We are doing great things for customers out there with over 99% uptime on their POTS lines, and we are creating transformation every single day. Simple POTS lines that operated for years, they are going away. We are moving customers to a stable state, and that's what you deserve. So happy Friday, LinkedIn.